Now, postulate 1, a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other. So if I have one point here, A, and I have another point here, say B, between these 2 points I can draw a straight line. So a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. The next one also is an axiom which is quite similar to that, and it says 2 given points. If I have 2 given points, say point A and point B, or this time we'll say point P and point Q. How many lines will I be able to draw between them? And you'll definitely agree you can draw just one line between them, not more than that. You cannot draw more. You will have only one line. So if you have point P here, let me do it again here. Now through this point P we can draw many infinite lines, and through this point Q also we can draw infinite line, but there will be just one line that will pass through both these points. Passing through both this point, we will get only a single line. So here we back again we go. Given 2 distinct points P and Q, there is only a unique line here. I marked that unique line. This unique line that can pass between 2 points. Now for the next postulate 3, here they said a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. So I have a terminated line. I have a point A and a point B, and they're terminated, point A and point B, and here is a line segment. Now you definitely agree this line can be extended indefinitely on this side. It go on and on this side, and on it can be indefinitely extended on either sides. So this is what it's saying, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on either sides. Now for postulate 3, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. So we know when we are drawing a circle with a compass, first we take a compass and put it at a point, say point A, and then we take a radius, say maybe 3 centimeters, and we will draw the circle. So this would be, say, maybe 3 centimeters. Or we could draw another circle, take another center, say here, say center T. Now we may take a radius, a little longer radius, say 5 centimeters, and we will get a bigger circle. So to draw a circle we require a center and a radius. Now for the 4th postulate, all right angles are equal to each other. Now what is a right angle? An angle whose measure is 90 degrees. So I'm drawing here a couple of right angles. I can draw one like this, whose measure is 90. Say I will call it ABC. Or I could draw another one in this way, whose again measure is 90. I may call it TSR. This is also 90. Or I could draw yet another one in this manner, and I could name it PQR, but the measure here is again 90. All these angles are equal. I can say angle ABC is equal to angle TSR is equal to angle PQR, because all of them are of the same measure, and that is 90. So all right angles are equal to one another. This is a long one, so we go a little slow on it. If a straight line falling on 2 straight lines, so we need if a straight line falling on 2 straight lines, so I have 2 straight lines, this is one straight line, and I have another straight line, and I have a straight line falling on these 2 straight lines. So this is the line that is falling on the 2 straight lines. So I just draw it again. They need not be parallel. Earlier I drew them parallel, but who said the lines are parallel? They have not mentioned that the lines are parallel. So I just draw any 2 straight lines which are yellow, and I draw another line, blue line, which falls on this straight line. And the interior angles on the same side of it taken together less than 2 right angles. Now which are the interior angles? Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 interior angles. But which interior angles do I have to take? On the same side. So I take this interior angle and this interior angle. They are on the same side. I will mark them as X and Y. So these are the interior angles on the same side. Taken together is less than right angles. Means they are saying if X plus Y is less than 2 right angles. Means X plus Y, what are 2 right angles? 2 into 90. If that means X plus Y is less than 180, then what happens is, then the 2 straight lines, if produced, indefinitely meet on that side. So these 2 lines, I am going to produce them indefinitely. They will meet on this side. See, they intersect at this point. Okay, so let me repeat again. Here what did we do? So here again I'm repeating, if a straight line falling on 2 straight lines. So we drew one straight line and another straight line. I don't draw parallel because it's not given to me. And there's another line falling on this straight line. So this blue line is falling on those 2 yellow lines. Then the interior angles on the same side. So which interior angle? This is one interior angle. And this on the same side. Not on separate sides, on the same side. So this interior angle is X and this is Y. And they said if X plus Y, I'm writing it again, is less than 2 right angles, 2 into 90, means if X plus Y is less than 180, then the lines will meet on that side. Means if I produce these lines further, here like this, they will intersect here, they will meet here. This is the postulate number 5.